Hello students, good morning to everyone. Today I have to start the representation of rational numbers on a number line. First you have to check out natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers after that. Then natural numbers. Natural number, what I have explained in the previous class, natural numbers starting with 1. Yes, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then all the counting numbers to infinite. That's why this place is arrow mark, in the infinite place it is moved. Then next is whole numbers. Then whole numbers starting with 0 and all natural numbers. Yes, then 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then next is integers. Integer, both positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 is called integers. Yes, then positive number also coming 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, and negative number also coming -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Then it is. Then these all are the which? Natural numbers, whole numbers and integer number line. Then in the topic rational number line, how will be explained to rational number lines? See, represent 1/3 and -2/3 on a number line. First you check the denominator part. What you have to check? First you check the denominator. Denominator is 3 in both the case. Yes, what? The denominator is 3 in both the case. And this is positive number, this is negative rational number. This is positive rational numbers. Yes. Then see, 0. Then in 0, all the right hand side is positive. Then 0, left hand side is what? Negative. Then 0. Then in 0 to 1, how many parts? 3 parts. First you have to check in the denominator. Denominator is 3 means in 0 to 1, how many parts? 3 parts. First part, second part and third part. In 0 to 1, how many? 3 parts. Then in first part it is 1/3. In the second part it is 2/3. Then in third is 3/3 is equal to 1. Then the question is 1/3, then that's why this is 1/3. Then you represent this one is A. What it is? A. Then -2/3. Same thing. 0 to -1. How many parts? 3 parts. First part, second part, third part. Yes, in 0 to -1 will be divided into 3 parts. -1/3, -2/3, -3/3, it is -1. Then the -2/3 is the required answers. Then next is -4/3, -5/3, -6/3 is -2. Same thing, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3 is 2. In the rational numbers, how to represent the number line? First you have to check the denominator. The denominator is how many parts? Then same thing in 0 to 1, same parts you have to represent. Then another one question, represent 8/5 on the number line. How to represent 8/5? 8/5 means this is positive rational numbers. Then 5 in 0 to 1, it is 5 parts. But in 8/5, it is which type of fractions? This is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction you have to convert it also like this. 8/5 is equal to 1 whole 3/5. Then after 1 it is coming. Yes. Then see, 1 represent 0. Then in negative part also coming. That's why the arrow mark in both sides. 0, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, 6/5, 7/5, 8/5. 5/5 you know it is 1. Yes, in 0 to 1, how many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, 5 parts. Yes, because it is more than 1. That's why it is 1. Then 1, 2, 3, then 8/5, then 9/5, then 10/5. It is what? It will be expanded that one. Then 9/5, it is 10/5. Then 10/5 is 2. Then how many? 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5 parts. Always it will be in 0 to 1 it is 5 parts. 1 to 2 is also 5 parts. 2 to 3 is also 5 parts, like this. You have to write down like this also, you have to draw it in the number line. And another case, how to represent the number line like this. See, 0, then it is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. Here you have to write down 1. Yes, then 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5. Yes, given to 8 by 5, A. Then 9 by 5, this is 10 by 5 is equal to 2. You write down like this also. This one is the correct way and this one also the correct. Both the process. The small number line, it is the small denominator, means it is less than 8 or less than 5, then or 5. Then means less than 10. You have to represent like this. But it is more. Means 1 whole 3 by 5, then it is required for 1 and 2. You have to represent like this. But in more means after 5 whole 2 by 3. Then what is this? It is 15. 15 plus 2. It is what? 17 by 3. It is not possible to represent like this. 0, then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. It is not possible. That's why you have to write down 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 0, then 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3. It is 1, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 2, then 7 by 3, 8 by 3, 9 by 3. It is 3, then it is 9 by 3, then it is 10 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3, it is 4, then 13 by 3, 14 by 3, 15 by 3, it is what? 5, then 16 by 3, 17 by 3. Then this is the answer, 17 by 3. You write down like this. Because the whole numbers you have to write down like this, it is time taking. Yes. Then next you have to read it. Then after the next concept, comparison of rational numbers. Two rational numbers, which one is greater and which one is smaller, you have to compare. 3 by 5 and 4 by 7, which is greater? 3 by 5, 4 by 7. Simple thing, cross multiplication. This denominator and this numerator and this denominator, this numerator. Opposite you have to multiply. 3 into 7. This denominator 3 into 7 and this one is 5 into 4. This is 21, this is 20. Then which is greater? 21 is greater than 20. That's why 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Yes, then this one is which? Cross multiplication you have to check out. And the another process also, the denominator same. First you have to take the LCM. Then check the denominator are same. Then after that you have to arrange it. But this one is time taking. That's why you have to solve it in the cross multiplication method. Because this one is coming from 1 mark question. 7 by 8 and 9 by 12. 7 by 8, 9 by 12. 12 7 is 84. 9 8 is 72. Then 84 is greater than 72. That's why 7 by 8 is greater than 9 by 12. This one is what? Comparison between two rational numbers. You have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. Yes. Then next it is ordering of rational numbers. How to order? In ascending order and also in descending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Descending means bigger to smaller. Arrange in ascending order 2 by 3, 1 by 7, 1 by 2. First you take the LCM of all the denominator. 3, 7 and 2. LCM of 3, 7, 2. All are not divisible by a single number. That's why 3, 7 are 21. 21 into 2 it is 42. Then LCM is what? 42. Then 2 by 3. Check. 2 by 3. 3 14 ja 42. Then in 2 into 14. 28 by 42. 1 by 7. 7 6 are 42. 1 into 6. 6 by 42. Then 1 by 2. 1 into 21 by 2 into 21. Both numerator and denominator you have to multiply the same numbers, because the denominator you converted to 42. 21 by 42. Then ascending order 6 by 42. 21 by 42. Then 28 by 42. 6 by 42 is less than 21 by 42 is less than 28 by 42. 1 by 7 is less than 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 3. This is what? Smaller to bigger, ascending order. Then next it is descending. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. 1 by 2, 3 by 7, 9 by 14. Yes, 2, 7 and 14 you take the LCM. 14 is the LCM because 2 is divisible by 14. 7 is also divisible by 14. Then LCM is 14. 1 by 2. 1 into 7, 2 into 7. 7 by 14. 3 by 7. 7 2s are 14. 3 into 2, 6 by 14. Then 9 by 14. 9 into 1, 9. 14 into 1, 14. Then 7 by 14, 6 by 14, 9 by 14. You check that, write it down in descending order. Descending order means what? Bigger to smaller. Then 9 by 14 is bigger number. Then next is 7 by 14. Then 6 by 14. Then 9 by 14. Yes, 9 by 14 is greater than 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 7. What it is? 9 by 14 is greater than 1 by 2 is greater than 3 by 14. Sorry, 3 by 7. Yes, 6 by 14 is coming 3 by 7. This is which order? Descending order. Bigger to smaller. Ascending means smaller to bigger. Then next you have to read it, absolute value of a rational number. Absolute value means it is always positive numbers. You have to take the negative rational numbers, but the answer is coming to positive rational numbers. Yes, absolute means positive. Always the number is positive. The absolute value of minus 5 by 11 is minus 5 by 11 modulus. This is the absolute value. This one is what? This one modulus. Modulus means, what is the meaning of modulus? Means the negative number converted to the positive numbers. Yes, minus 5 by 11 modulus is 5 by 11. Then absolute value of 7 by 12 is 7 by 12 modulus is equal to 7 by 12. Positive number is coming in same positive numbers, but the negative rational number is coming to positive rational numbers. This is the absolute value. The absolute value of minus 8 is minus 8 modulus is plus 8. Then next concept is the last concept of this chapter, rational numbers between two rational numbers. Yes, how to find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. One example, see, this is two method. How many method? Two method. I have explained to you two methods. First method you see, find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 5 and 3 by 8. What it is? Minus 1 by 5 and 3 by 8. Yes, then check. Minus 1 by 5 into and 3 by 8. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. What is the LCM? 40. Then the denominator you converted to 40. Yes, minus 1 into 8, 5 into 8. This is minus 8 by 40. 3 into 5, 8 into 5, 15 by 40. Then minus 8 by 40 and 15 by 40 plus. Then how many rational number? It is more number of rational number it is coming. Which is rational number? Minus 7 by 40, minus 6 by 40, minus 5 by 40, minus 4 by 40, minus 3 by 40, minus 2 by 40, minus 1 by 40. 0 by 40, 1 by 40, 2 by 40, 3 by 40, up to 14 by 40. More number of rational number. You check this all these rational numbers and you take also any 5 rational number of this whole numbers. Yes, Then another one question is, find 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Which 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. Then 4 and 3, the LCM of 4 and 3. 4 and 3, it is 12. Yes, then 1 into 3, 3, 4 into 3, it is 12. 3 by 12 and 2 into 4, it is 8, 3 into 4, it is 12. 8 by 12. Then next rational number, it is 4 by 12, 5 by 12, 6 by 12, 7 by 12. Yes, then these are the 4 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. I have explained to method number 2. How to? Method number 1 I have explained, you have to take the LCM part and find out the rational numbers. Yes, in between of the 2 rational numbers. Yes, then next it is, find 3 rational numbers between 1 by 8 and 1 by 2. You take A is equal to 1 by 8, B is equal to 1 by 2. Then what is the formula? A plus B divided by 2. What it is? A plus B divided by 2. You take this 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. See, check this one. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. This is the middle term, it is coming. LCM is 8. 1 into 1, 8 1s are 8. Then 1 into 1 plus 2 4s are 8. Then 1 into 4. 1 plus 4 divided by 8 into the reciprocal 1 by 2. Reciprocal is what? Divided by 2. This is 1 by 2. Yes, this is 2 by 1. Then 2 by 1, reciprocal is 1 by 2. Then it is 5 by 8 into 1 by 2. Then what is the first rational number it is coming? In the middle rational numbers, 5 by 16. Then you take 5 by 16 and 1 by 8. Yes, 1 by 8 in between 1 by 8. Then next it is 5 by 16. Then it is coming 1 by 2. Then you take these 2 rational numbers. Then after that you take these 2 rational numbers. Then in between of these 2 rational numbers, another rational number is also coming. 1 by 8 plus 5 by 16 divided by 2. Then 8 and 16, what is the LCM? 16. 8 2s are 16, 1 into 2, 16 1s are 16, 5 into 1 divided by 2. Then 2 plus 5 divided by 16 into 1 by 2. 2 by 1, the reciprocal is 1 by 2. Then 7 by 16 into 1 by 2, this is 7 by 32. The second rational number it is coming 7 by 32. Means 1 by 8, 7 by 32, then it is 5 by 16, then 1 by 2. Then after that you take these 2 numbers divided by 2. Then 5 by 16 plus 1 by 2 divided 2. Then LCM is 16. 5 into 1 plus 1 into 8 divided by 16 divided by 2. This is 2 by 1. Yes. Then 5 plus 8 divided by 16. 13 by 16 into 1 by 2. Yes. Then 13 by 32. What is the answer? 13 by 32. That's why the 3 rational numbers is 7 by 32, 5 by 16, 13 by 32. These 3 rational numbers. Another you also find out. These 2 numbers you take, then another one rational number also you have to find out. Yes, in 0 to 1, so many rational numbers are there. Infinite number of rational numbers. How many rational numbers? Infinite number of rational numbers. You have to take 0 plus 1 divided by 2. Then in 0 and 1 in between, it is 1 by 2. Then next it is 0 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. This is also coming. Yes or no? Then same thing you have to find out number of rational numbers. More number of. That's why 0 to 1, infinite number of rational numbers are there. Yes. In class 1, I have given some question in the previous class. All natural numbers are whole numbers. This is true or false? This is true. But all whole numbers are not natural numbers. That's why the next question is, all whole numbers are natural numbers. This one is false. Yes, these 2 question answer. First one answer is true. The second one answer is false. Then next two questions. Which positive numbers is its own reciprocal? This is 1. 1 is its own reciprocal. Then which negative numbers has its own reciprocal? -1. This type of questions are coming to 1 mark question. Which type of questions? 1 mark questions. Okay, this is for important question. Next question it is, the additive inverse of -5/3 is 5/3. The multiplicative inverse of -11/2. This is what? 2/11 minus 2/11. Yes, additive inverse means this two number you have to add it, then the answer is 0. Multiplicative inverse means this two number you have to multiply, then the answer is 1. Then one last question. Use distributive property to verify. You have to verify using distributive property to verify these numbers. See how to check it out. This one is LHS, then RHS part is 11/37 into 5/11 plus 11/37 into 2/3. Yes, then 11/37 first you have to solve it in LHS side. Then 11 and 3 it is 33. 5 into 3 plus 2 into 11. Then is equal to 11/37 into 15 plus 22/33. Yes, then 11/37 into this is 37/33. 11 1 jar, 11 3 jar, 37 1 jar, 37 1 jar. Then 1/3 is the required answer. Then next you have to check it because this one is multiplied to this number and this one is multiplied to this number. This is distributive property, multiplication over addition. Yes, then 11 1 jar, 11 1 jar, it is 5/37 plus 11 into 2 22 by it is what? 37 3 jar, 111. Yes or no? Then 111 is the LCM. 111 is the LCM. Then 37 is the 3 is the. Then 5 into 3 plus 22 into 1. Then it is 15 plus 22 by 111. Then 37/111. What it is? 37/111. Then 37 1 ja, 37 3 ja, 1/3. Both LHS is equal to RHS. Then both are equal. Then distributive property will be satisfied. Yes, I have given some extra questions. I have solved it out in now today class. Then in the next class will be some another important question you have to solve it out. Thank you everyone.